Okay, hello everyone. Today is Tuesday the 10th, and I have a live trading video here in my funded account, and I also have another video from our BWT trader that lives in Singapore. I'm just going to refer to him as Trader D, and he's been kind of emulating Trader Jim's method and doing a really great job. So at the end of this live trading video will be his live trading video as well. Also, just want to remind everybody about the 50% off Apex Trader funding, still good through June 1st, I believe. So you got 20 days, 50% off. The link and coupon code is in the video description. If you're a new subscriber here, or you're watching the video and you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe and follow us. It helps the channel. We are probably one of the few channels that show live trading in the NQ futures frequently, and we have an excellent tool for that and tips on how to improve your trading. So please do help us to keep these videos going. Okay, I forgot to turn on the audio, so I'm having to record this as I post the video. This video started at about 2:45. Today is Tuesday the 10th, and I elected to go long here because on this analysis here, I'm thinking the market's going to come up and test that level that was just highlighted with the cursor, which is the high of those couple 15-minute bars, and perhaps the high of the day. So this chart is trailing by the volatility stop, and it has a $500 goal. As you can see, here's the profit target. And I was also thinking there's a gap from a couple days ago, and that the market may try to, if they're really strong, they'll come up and try to fill the gap. So in any case, I feel pretty good about this target being close to the even number 500 area, and I think there's a good chance it would come up. And here it came with just a few dollars of my target. So now I'm trailing at the volatility stop, and I could get stopped out here. The high of those bars was about 94 or 95, so just a few ticks away from hitting my goal. And so, okay, on this trade, so I did get stopped out, and before I go long again, I want to take a step back and see what might happen here. So by bringing the 15-minute chart back over here, we can see it came almost to the high of the previous bar, and now it's being driven back. So I suspect they're going to come back towards the low of these bars, and perhaps there I'll try another long. Take a look at the 5-minute chart. We can see that price came right up towards the open and was rejected at the open. So it looks like the sellers are still in control here, and that the market may come back down lower, as we have a higher low right there, and a lower high actually, and then a higher low, and then if this doesn't get above 12.5, then we would have a second lower high, and the market could come back down to the volume point of control. So I think there's going to be a reaction here, so I'm electing to go long right here. I've kind of been practicing using the horizontal trend line break, which is a good way to get in the market. And to use this, you don't need to have auto trading on. It'll just get filled if it gets touched. If it gets away from me here, I'm going to force the long. But I'm hoping it'll come back down to 12.10, but it looks like it might get away from me. So I'm going to draw another horizontal trend line, or just hit the buy button. All right, so decent entry, a couple ticks below the close of the first blue bar, and I'm going to give myself a little bit tighter stop. So I just used the trail 50% button, which is one of the great things about the AutoTrader, that on the fly you can change your settings. But I only have 275 to go to hit my daily goal. So let's see if the market can come up here. And move my stop a little closer. And there we go. $500 goal was hit, and really excellent positive slippage on a single contract, $55 on one contract. That's like 11 ticks of positive slippage. You can see my goal here, 500. So that's 2 days in a row of hitting goal with the AutoTrader. Just kind of observing the market and using this horizontal trend line can work really good. In this case, I didn't get filled, so I wanted to go long, so I hit the buy button, and that turned out to be the right thing to do, because as soon as I did that, the market moved very quickly to the upside. Okay, there's another video submitted by, I'm going to call him Trader D, and he is a BWT client who's been working hard to utilize Trader Jim's method and having some success with it. So he sent me this video today, and very interesting, using the breakout box method, using 15-minute bars and finding a level. He's actually plotting it here on NinjaTrader 8 and then taking the trade in NinjaTrader 7. The BWT indicators are available for NinjaTrader 8, and I think I'm going to launch an affiliate program for anyone that wants to become an affiliate of BWT and sell the indicators or the AutoTrader. If you have any interest in this, please let me know. Anyway, he did not narrate this trade. You can see where and why he drew the breakout box. So I'm going to try to do the narration here. I'm not sure what his time parameters are, but he will eventually get filled in the breakout box. Let's watch this trade unfold.